stuff. So I want to thank you again for coming down and expounding on a lot of this stuff, because I think it is important for people to be aware of. It's something that we're subject to every minute of the day, and so being aware of it is definitely half the battle. So I think we're going to come back with Atelston here in a few minutes, and once again, I have no idea what we're going to talk about. But thank you again, sir.
Thank you.
And wherever you're going, get there safe, and we'll be back in a few minutes with more of this guy. Alrighty, you're just all over the place, and so what is it that you'd like to speak to us about tonight?
Today, probably an extension. I did a 1-hour lecture on drone box. Previously, taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, and transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder, where I approach mental disorder from 10 key areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, physics analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis, a parapsychological, psychopathological, a pathophysiological, a neurological approach, and a geophysics approach. And it was basically a 1-hour discussion covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in for them.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. I have worked with kids in the past that had autism.